Katie.Pix! Oh, 'tis the season to be merry because it's December, people, and you know what December means? It's Christmas. It's Christmas time. Today we are talking mince pies. Oh, I mean, is it Christmas without a mince pie? Is it Christmas without a mince pie? No. Yes? No. I've confused myself. I think I've done a double negative there. It's not Christmas without a mince pie. Let's get cracking. Okay, so what we've got here is a nice tray. This is how many it's hopefully going to make. If anything, you're probably going to have a bit of excess. Is that ever a bad thing? We want to preheat our oven to 200 degrees. So I've got here just Filo. I mean, you can try and make it yourself, but with our Filo, I want to cut it into squares. And we're going to take some melted butter, and you just want to line your trays with a nice splash of butter. Okay, we're going to take our Filo, take one of your sheets. They're absolutely beautiful, look at that, paper thin. And you're going to tuck it into your tray. Right, we're then going to take our butter and we're going to do another little bit of basting. I'm going to go in for one final layer. So we're then going to do one final layer of basting. This is then going to go into your oven for 6 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want them to start going nice and golden, but not too golden. So what's brilliant is that whilst they're doing that, that gives us the perfect amount of time to prep our filling, which is, of course, our mincemeat. So I've got here 600 grams of just straight out the jar mincemeat. We're then going to add in 40 grams of mixed peel. We're also going to go in with some almonds, and I'm just going to whack in 2 very heaped teaspoons. We're then going to go in with some fruit. I'm just going to take the apple and skin and all, grate it directly in. Obviously, this is going everywhere. Obviously, stop before the seeds. We're then going to go in with the zest of an orange and a lemon. But just go in with half a lemon and half an orange. If you have children, give them the packet ones. Save these for the adults because I'm going to go in there with a little cheeky splash of brandy. Oh, Merry Christmas. Whoa. That's awful. Oh. I'm just going to go in with a tablespoon, really. And then we're going to give it a good stir. Yeah. So that's our mincemeat done. We're now going to create a little extra using marzipan. I just think there is nothing more Christmassy than the taste. Oh. So I've just got a little star cutter here. I've just got already rolled out some marzipan here. You just want it about the thickness of a pound coin. And we're just going to stamp out some stars. Oh, they're so cute. 12, fabulous, right. Okay, so we started going beautifully golden. We're going to scoop in our mincemeat. A really generous tablespoon, I reckon. Take a segment of your clementine and I'm just going to pop that on top as well. And then on top of that, we're going to place our marzipan star. So already, like, they just look beautiful. So these are going to go back into our oven now for another 5 minutes. But just keep an eye so that these don't get overcooked. A bit worried about the Filo on these, not going to lie. They've cooled to a manageable temperature. I've got myself a pumpkin spice latte because it is Christmas, why not? Ready? That Filo is buttery, crunchy, and then you bite into that lovely soft mincemeat. The marzipan, from where it's toasted in the oven, has almost got like a bite and a chew to it. It goes almost like a toffee. And then you squidge into that lovely little clementine surprise. Absolutely heavenly. It's all in my teeth, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, and I hope you were nice and not naughty, because then you can eat all of these because you deserve it. Bye.